uDAB allows to integrate digital radio in your car by connecting it to the car socket while maintaining all USB functions and with real-time audio. Kit contains uDAB module, T-harness, USB rec adapter, USB COM adapter, services button, fixing Velcro strips and plastic ties. DAB antenna is not included in the sales kit, but you can buy it separately. Let's install the system, as example, on an Alfa Romeo Giulietta of 2017. First of all, please disconnect the car battery. Then, remove the car radio frame, using extraction tools and taking care not to damage the surfaces. Please also remove the radio block and the support frame. Once identified power supply and speakers radio connectors, please connect T-harness, USB COM, and USB rec adapters to the appropriate connectors of the radio. Now, please attach the DAB antenna to the car windshield, as described in the instructions guide. Then, connect T-harness and adapters to the appropriate connectors, and the DAB antenna to the SMB socket of the module. Connect also the service button. Now, please place uDAB module in a suitable location, replace the radio block. Please place the services button in a convenient and accessible place, and reconnect the car battery. Installation is done. Let's configure the system. First of all, please turn on the radio. In the main menu, please select the voice media and then USB source. The first available digital radio station will start playing. In the voice folders, it will be displayed a list of the various muxes available in the signal coverage area. By selecting a station of interest, you can listen it immediately. All the digital radio stations will be displayed as MP3 files. By pressing track buttons, forward and backward, you can scroll through the various stations. By keeping press the service button, uDAB will do a scanning for about 1 minute to update the list of muxes and available digital stations. uDAB also has an excellent power amplifier, providing 40 watts per channel in Class A/B. uDAB is able to maintain all the USB functions as for the OEM systems. By pressing service button, you can directly manage USB pen functions. Playing will start in a very short time. Thanks to uDAB, there are no loading or playing audio delays, so you can listen to your favorite music, as always, but with DAB+ digital audio quality.